All right, well, new today on the radar is this system that will be making its way in throughout the overnight. You can see some of the blue starting to show up in central and northern Minnesota. That will work its way in as we head into the evening as well for us. We'll start off with just plain rain showers, and then as we head into the rest of the overnight, cold enough air will sink its way southward that we'll see most of this become snow for a lot of us, especially in central and western UP. It doesn't look like it's going to amount to much, though. Maybe a coating to an inch at the most as we head throughout the afternoon on Thursday. But after this system departs, don't expect things to get warmer. It looks to actually get a little more cold for us as we head into the weekend. Right now, we're already chilly, 37 degrees. Winds are calm for us, but real field temperature is feeling right around 42 with those calm winds. Temps are in the upper 30s here for us in Marquette. And off to the west, well, we're actually seeing more of those 40s here in Tahoe at 40 degrees, upper 30s also in Ironwood at 39, lower 40s a little farthest to the south, Florence at 42, also in Menominee. And for us off to the east, upper 30s in Munising and in Manistee, 43 in Escanaba, while sitting at 37 degrees in Ishpeming. Look at the winds. They're coming in from the west at 13 miles per hour currently in Houghton and at 13 in Escanaba. Those should be starting to come out of the north as we head into the evening, the north and the northeast. And temperatures will cool off across the entire state because right now we're relatively mild than what we are going to see as we head to the latter portions of this week. 48 degrees in Oscoda, farther south, 54 in Grand Rapids, and at 55 in Flint. Well, let's take a look at our headlines because rain, it will change over to snow, and it will be a quick transition for a lot of us, especially as you go from Marquette on towards the west. We'll see that transition happen pretty quickly. Around Manistee and Munising, it should stay mostly rain for us until we get into the early morning hours on Thursday, but it will be another chilly day for us as we head throughout the afternoon on Friday, and then another round of snow as we head closer to the weekend with another disturbance that will push its way out of the northern plains. But this is our current feature coming in from the west. It's actually a little clipper system, and it's going to move out of here pretty quickly, seeing the rain first before the snow starts to fill in on the backside. And throughout the day on Thursday, expecting that cool air to come in from the north. Winds will pick up anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour, and then this should be out of here as we head into Thursday night and Friday, and not expecting much snow whatsoever at all. 4-hour futurecast model looking at how things will continue to stay mostly cloudy for us, and then this is going to be our next disturbance as we make our way closer to Friday night and Saturday. It will sweep through with more snow and rain, and then after that pushes out of here, a much colder air mass pushes in right behind that, and that will probably drop a lot of us down into the 20s for highs. For tonight, we'll be in the upper 20s for our overnight low. Wintry mix switching over to snow, north winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour for us on Thursday, keeping that northerly flow in place around 15 to 20. So highs for us will be in the 30s, but it'll feel more like we are in the lower 30s and the upper 20s throughout the afternoon. 38 degrees for a high in Lawrence, 40s a little farther south in Crystal Falls and in Iron Mountain, while at 43 in Munising and 37 for us here in Marquette. Make sure to have a jacket ready for the kids as they head out because it will be a little chilly out there with winds between 10 to 15 as they're heading out there and temps in the upper 20s. Our 7-day forecast after Thursday, we'll get a break from any type of precipitation on Friday. Highs only in the 30s, but as we head into the weekend, look at how things really start to cool off for us. We'll drop down into the lower 30s by Sunday for highs and keeping snow in the forecast all the way through next Monday.